What is up, guys? This is the Alt Life back again with another video. Just wanted to give you guys an update on Verge and my potential price predictions for the upcoming week here. And if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for more cryptocurrency trading videos, and let's get started. So we have here at CoinMarketCap.com Verge currently trading at around 16 cents, down 26% due to the disappointing release of Wraith. A lot of people were saying that Wraith was supposed to be released at midnight Eastern time. Verge did not do that and had this long drawn out kind of announcements where they would release updates to their GitHub repository and eventually just release the, as you can see here, we'll go on their Twitter page, just released their Wraith on OS X. Still has not been released on Windows or Linux, so I guess majority of users are either Windows or Linux based, and they're very disappointed with that release because we'll take a look here at the technical analysis on TradingView here. So as you can see here, last night we were here on the hour time frame, right around midnight. You can see this price just drop right around from the roughly the 1500 satoshis all the way down here to the 1200 satoshis there. I guess a lot of people are very disappointed with the way that Verge dealt with the situation and releasing updated announcements on time. So they got out they released the Wraith protocol for the OS X users, but not for Windows or Linux, and I guess that really disappointed a lot of people. But nonetheless, the price didn't fall out of the sky, and it didn't run to the moon. So right now we're having this healthy correction period as we speak, and we're going to see if this thing can hold this trend line here. We currently have this trend line still holding very well from just a couple weeks ago, right all the way around to the 15th. The trend line seems to be holding pretty well here. I'll change it to a different color so you guys can see it better. Probably change there. So right there, holding that trend line really well. Look to just to ride this trend line into the near future. As you can see here, we'll take a look at the fib retracement at the moment, see if this has a pretty good, always aiming for that the golden ratio 0.618. As you can see here, maybe a little hard to read on your guys' screens, but right here, I'll move this over just a bit. So 0.618, roughly around the 1150 Satoshi level there. So it definitely bounced off of that. Very perfect. Perfect textbook bounce with the fib retracement there. Looking to hold this trend line here into the near future. Currently in a downtrend as it's under the 50 EMA line right there. So take a little closer look here on the 15-minute time frame. As you can see here, fib retracement as well. Healthy bounce to the 0.38. So right here, pull back down to right here, bounced right up to the 0.382. Around the 1300 Satoshi level there, so perfect bounce play off of there. So this is definitely having a decent bounce play right there. So right now we're going to be looking for Verge to, like I said, hold this trend line and continue up towards the this resistance level here at around the 1800 Satoshi level there in the near future, possibly finishing this. Looks like to be an ascending triangle pattern in the next couple of weeks here, and then potential profit here. We'll take a look at the day chart here. Might be too tall at the moment, so the sky's the limit from there. If it breaks through that right around the 1800 Satoshis level, there could moon much higher from there. But that's we probably have a couple weeks before that happens here. So go back to the hour time frame. Zoom in a little bit here. So, like I said, we're gonna look to see if this can hold the this upwards trend support line there for the next couple of days. This is probably what's gonna happen. Most likely, this thing's gonna test the resistance level here at around the 1700 and probably bounce off and kind of enter into this channel of this ascending triangle pattern into the upcoming week there. Hopefully to break out, possibly through the distance. You always look for about 70% of to the apex of the triangle. So roughly, there's a potential to break out somewhere. Roughly, this is a rough estimate. Somewhere around there. So possibly, by next week, somewhere if it still holds this trend here and people are still bullish on Verge at the moment, you know, you'll take the you know, we'll project potential projection here. You know, you take the height of the side of the triangle, you know, roughly 1200 Satoshi there, you know, add it to the top here if it definitely breaks out. So 1200, you know, you'll have a target, like I said, around 3000 Satoshis there in the possibly the next month for Verge there. Just wanted to give you guys an update on this potential price projections there. That's going to be the pattern that I'm going to be looking forward to in this next couple of weeks here in the year of 2018 in the month of January there for Verge. Like I said, you know, we'll keep an eye out on this if there's any news being released, maybe if the Wraith protocol is going to be released for Windows and Linux in the upcoming week. That's probably going to send this price towards this resistance level here at around 1800 there for Verge. Then if, you know, there's enough buying power by the whales, could push this through that resistance level there, you know, up towards that target of a roughly, you know, 3000, just based on the height of this ascending triangle that looks to be building into in the near future. But we're going to see if this holds this support line here in the next coming week. If it does not breaks through, then, you know, we'll have to reevaluate the trade from there, and then the projections will be updated from there, and I'll keep you guys updated on that. But this is going to be my update on Verge at the moment. You can see here right now, you know, RSI is, you know, downtrending. Momentum is downtrending on the 1 hour. You know, we'll take a look at the 4 hour. Same thing as well. You know, starting to pull back low momentum there. So, you know, this for those guys that want to day trade, you know, there's a potential here for probably you know, a little you know, 5 to 10% action in between this this channel here and this ascending triangle. So that's what I'm going to be looking forward to in the near future, guys, for Verge. That's going to be my technical analysis for that. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.